Want your kisses, babies? Huh? Come on, Green Bean, Sasquatch. Come on, here's 2 kisses. Here's 2 kisses. Sasquatch. Come on. Here's 2 kisses. Want 2 kisses? Want 2 kisses? Oh, you did want 2 kisses. Yes. Here's your 2 kisses. Oh, baby kisses. Yes, this is... That was very good, Green Bean, Sasquatch. Yes. That was very good. 2 kisses. Oh, yes, 2 kisses, the bookies. That was my lovebirds. Yes. Where's my lovebirds? Oh, they get feisty. Yes, yes. Oh, yes, the good bookies. Oh, jealousy rise. You got some good kisses? Oh, no kisses there. Holy moly. Oh, Green Bean. What did he do, Green Bean? What did he do? Sasquatch. He got right in the middle. Sasquatch. Give Blueberry a kiss. Give Blueberry a kiss. Give him a kiss. Look at him. He's all cranky. Give him a kiss. Here's a bookie. Oh, come on. Sunshine. Sunshine's like, stay away from me. Don't pull me into this. I want nothing to do with this. I am a single transsexual bird. Yes, my own ideal little spiritual guru. A transsexual bird who wears spike heels and likes to have fun. Right? Yes. But you do not like the riffraff over here causing all this crazy. Oh, fight. Oh, here we go. They pick it on you. Pick it up. Yeah, you got a beak. You got a beak. She got a beak. He got a beak. Yes, my fantasy land. Bookie bookies. Only a true bird lover would understand. You posing? Yes. Yes, I love my sunshine. Yes, we love sunshine. And these guys are mad at each other. Oh, yes. Green Bean. You gonna do kisses with Blueberry? You gonna do kisses with... No kisses with Blueberry. You gonna do kisses with Sasquatch? Sasquatch! Sasquatch, come back down here. Come back. Come on. Come on. Yes, Blueberry's there. Get his tail. Get his tail. Get his tail. Blueberry. Oh, Sasquatch, you better get your Green Bean. Look at that. He's over there with Sunshine. Oh, yes. Oh, you better get over there. No, up. Oh, where you going? Yes. You're trying. Woohoo! Camera fright. Sun just came out. Alrighty. We got you kissing. That was very, very good.